stand by me using the chords in the chord sheet. I'll start off with the swashy style I was showing you on Tuesday, which is more like the open chordy sound. Okay, so that figure, starting with the A, and then downstroke, and when you come back up, little finger's going on the fourth fret of the second string, and don't worry if you choke that string. You don't want this because it sounds discordant. So we come in and I'm stopping that from singing, and all we're playing is that, and that's what we want. And then off again for the full A. When we're coming down to the F sharp minor, we start from the A. That's coming in back on the fourth fret, second string again with the finger, and also damping that string. Then into the F sharp minor. So F sharp minor, A, D, E7. Now in E7, and we're doing that little business with the finger on the fourth fret again. So again, choking that off so it doesn't sound. Then into the A, and then back around again. So slowly. Right, the general sort of, I'm doing some damping on the chords to give it a percussive, more rhythmic effect, and it also helps the timing. So where it goes, so I'm laying my fingers gently. It's not pressed. It's just gently, and we want that clicky sound. Down, up, down, up, down. Oops. Again. Okay, so if you can listen out for the percussive bits when I play it this time. Right, the other way is a more defined picking style. Okay. Right. Now I'm picking down on with my thumb on the open string, and then up with the index finger when I fret it on the fourth fret with my little finger. We've still got chord playing in it and damping. When I come in now, I'm starting pinching and picking. Oops. So I'll try and play that again without making any mistakes. can't precisely tell you what I'm doing because the video would be like 4 hours long. But that's the main part. Pinch. Pinch it with 3 fingers. So I'm using the same chords and the same things on this hand. It's just this hand that's changed. Okay. And that's just an off and on figure. I'm only playing the first note. Then there's a hammer on and off and a pull off. Okay, a lot of work in there. Just keep playing the video. If you've got software to slow it down, then slow it down. And we'll see what happens on Tuesday.